What's up guys, I'm back with a new video. So today I'll be doing POV video for how to clean the carburetor on a lawnmower I have right here. So I'm gonna take off the two bolts that's holding to the carburetor. I took off the air filter and the cover. Keep that aside. Guys, let's get into the video. So I'm gonna open these two bolts holding to the carburetor. These are tied on, so let's loosen this up. I'm gonna skip the video forward. I'm gonna skip forward and make okay, this is the carburetor I took off. So okay, the fuel is leaking. Let it leak. The carburetor is very dirty, so we're gonna clean this off. Oh, the fuel is coming off now, and I'll catch you guys next in the video. I'm gonna quickly take apart the carburetor. Okay, let the leak out. Bolt off. Okay, so it's empty out. Let me clean this off with a carburetor cleaner. So guys, it's cleaned up now, as you can see. Cleaned. The carburetor is cleaned now. So I'm gonna put everything back together and let's see how it wants. I'll put everything back together. Now we're gonna test it out if it starts and runs fine. So let's test it out. Let's test another time if it starts and runs fine. Okay, perfect, it runs great. So let's put the air filter and the cover back on. Air filter is clean, as you can see guys. Air filter is clean, and the cover is clean too. So let's put everything back together. It runs great. So thanks for watching guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Like, subscribe to me, and I'll catch you guys soon again. I have more machines to fix, but yeah, this is number one. Okay, so the case is back on, so the machine works fine now, as you can see. So thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys soon. Peace.